Here are some garden backyard furniture ideas to consider. Outdoor dining set. A patio dining set with a table and chairs is perfect for all pre-show meals. Outdoor sofa, whether with a shant sofa, can create cozy lounge area. Fire pit with a seating. Gather around a fire pit with a comfortable seats with a chilly evenings. Potted plants decorate with a variety of potted flowers and plants for a lush garden-like atmosphere. Hanging baskets. Install hanging baskets filled with vibrant flowers or trailing vines. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 98 Action. So if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. And this video share to your friends and see all videos about decor our home and garden. Outdoor lighting, string lights, lanterns, solar powered pathway lights can add warm ambience for summer evenings. Outdoor art, hang outdoor friendly artwork, sculpture and enhance the visually appeal. Comfortable seating, upgrade your porch furniture with comfortable chairs, swings and hammocks with a relaxation. Table settings, choose colorful tableware and centerpiece for outdoor dining. Cooling features, consider adding a misting system, outdoor fan and shade cells beat the summer heat. Citronella candles keep bugs away with the Citrolina candles or torches. Water feature a small fountain or bird bath can provide a smoothing sound and attract wildlife. Vertical garden use wall mountain planters, trellis and vertical garden to save space. Dye projects get create with dye projects like building a garden bench or repurposing old furniture. Outdoor entertainment, set up a small outdoor environment area with a Bluetooth speaker with a small outdoor project for movies. Remember to maintain your garden by watering regularly and providing proper care to keep it looking fresh throughout the summer season. So here are some ideas about decor our garden. So if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. In this video, gardening ideas is one of most famous ideas in this world. You can see you can make garden make perfectly and beautiful. So garden bench plants a bench amidst with what flowers, a tranquil spot. Picnic table great for a purely outdoor dining and gatherings. Gazebo or pergola. These structures can provide shade and a focal point for your outdoor space. Remember to choose a materials that are suitable for your climate and don't forget to add some cushions and outdoor pillows for extra comfort to style. Swing bench is a both fun and functional. Fire pit with a seating. Gather around a fire pit with a comfortable seating for chilly evenings in the garden. Garden bench. Place a bench amidst your flowers for a tranquil space. Picnic table great for a purely outdoor dining and gatherings. So outdoor dining table and outdoor sofa, fire pit, swing bench, and other ideas about decor our home and garden. So if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. So today's video, this is called today's video. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.